Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. I'm so glad you're here today. We are cooking an all-time Italian recipe with fettuccine panna and funghi, also
known as fettuccine, what was it?
cream and mushroom.
Cream and mushroom.
He had one line and he...
Yeah, because it's pressure.
Don't worry about it.
Yeah, okay.
He's very excited.
Yes.
So, super simple. The ingredients are obviously fettuccine. You got your mushrooms, parsley, heavy cream, butter, parmigiano. You've got some garlic. You're gonna use some salt, and you're gonna need some good white wine to stir fry your stuff in.
All right, guys. So the first thing, we're going to take a butter stick.
Yeah.
There we go.
Put your pasta water on and let it go. It's gonna take about 15-20 minutes. All right, guys, get your butter going. You see what I'm talking about? Look at this, it's melting.
Melting. Let's add some garlic
Add your garlic.
and let's sizzle.
Okay, add your garlic and let it sizzle. Sizzle, guys.
Look at this.
Sizzling is where you're at. So when I say sizzle, I say let it kind of roast a tiny bit.
Yeah.
But just to a light brown, do not burn it. You have to be on this recipe all the time. You cannot leave, you cannot have your glass of wine in the living room while this is cooking. You gotta be on it.
Yeah. Let's make the garlic make love with the butter.
See,
Yeah.
basically they're making
Exactly.
love.
They're making
together.
love and motion.
Okay, so we've got about 500 grams of mushrooms, which
go.
we're gonna be putting in. Now we're gonna stir fry the mushrooms. It's gonna take you probably at the most 10 minutes.
Yeah, 10 minutes. And
Here we go, this is how it looks here. I wanna stir everything inside.
let's add some salt.
Add your salt. Yeah, he likes to do this part. Okay, guys, we got like a good 10 minutes to go here. Guys, me and Fabrizio are on TikTok at the Pasta Queen, _pasta_queen. Go for it. I'm gonna put the link down below. Check us out. We're quite funny. Recipes are short, to the point. Come and follow us there too. Let's get back to the recipe. So they're slightly cooked. Now we're gonna add our bunch of parsley.
Look at this.
Yes, it's quite delightful to see the spray of parsley coming out of you. You're like a little pixie fairy that sprays parsley. All right, so we're gonna cook it for another 5 minutes. And then we're gonna add...
Some white wine. The magic ingredients.
Let's raise the flame a tiny bit. Otherwise, we'll stay here until the day after tomorrow.
Yeah.
We're gonna literally stir fry the mushrooms, parsley, garlic and butter. Oh, vuoi che ti do una spadata in faccia. Lo sai che quando percepisco questa cosa mi viene proprio la rabbia intensa, cazzo.
Yeah.
Mannaggia Cristo. Just 5 minutes of peace from this guy.
Look at this. Amazing. This is going to be good.
Okay, at this point, guys, you see here, they're about halfway cooked. Now we add your white wine and I'm talking. I'm gonna do 2 glasses of white wine. You're gonna cover them with about an inch of wine all over. Maybe like 2 or 3. You see? I want you to have a look. They're about covered by an inch. You just let them stir fry in this white wine base for another few minutes. You'll see, you raise your flame and it's gonna basically like smoke away. The alcohol content is gonna go away. Kids can eat this too. And
no one is get drunk.
no one will get drunk from this base. It's just gonna taste amazing. Did you put some salt?
See?
Ah, okay, it's true.
Do you remember
I
when
forgot.
you say, oh, you love it, do that?
Did you put deodorant as well on today? Because, you know.
Sì.
Ok. Sto sudando come una vacca, cazzo.
She's sweating like a cow. This is what she just said, guys. Talking about deodorant, yeah?
It's just a lot of wine content going through my body, that's all. Let me see.
No, a tiny bit more. Maybe a tiny bit more salt as well.
No, hold on, did you taste it? You can't add salt like that without tasting it.
I was right?
Basta. No more salt. So when you get to about this consistency, you got it nice and hold on, I lost my train of thought. I didn't know what
Yeah, nice
I'm
creamy.
talking about. Okay, you got nice and creamy. You still got quite a lot of water content. We don't really care. We add your heavy cream.
And wait, we need to put
Ma non è aperto!
Low
Mannaggia
flame.
Cristo! Mi è andato tutto da...
All right, before you add the heavy cream, guys, it's very important that you put your flame very, very low, okay?
Okay. We're adding 1 pint of heavy cream. Okay, here we go.
And now,
At the same time, once you put your heavy cream, you put your pasta back in the water.
ah, fantastic, guys.
Did you put the salt? Did you salt the water?
No?
Okay, you gotta salt your water. Not like Fabrizio, he keeps forgetting things. Mannaggia. Metti il sale, mannaggia, Gri. Dai, su. Yeah, he's supposed to be the one that knows this kind of stuff. Okay, so do you wanna zoom in on this great sauce base? It's gonna be delightful. So now you cook it for another 5 minutes.
Very low flame, guys, very low flame.
Yeah, low flame, very important. It's very important that when you're doing the wine part, you keep it high flame so that you literally make sure that the alcohol content is gone. And then when you put your cream base, you go back down, lowest flame possible. Keep stirring, making sure that the heavy cream is not sitting at the bottom. I'm just tasting to make sure that everything is fine. I'm, testing for the people of YouTube. Oh my God. Holy moly. This is amazing. What are you doing? Do you want to eat it?
Uh-huh.
Nice. How about that? Cioè, non metterti con la faccia. You cannot stand on top of the thing. It's not. Stay away from the pan with your like gross things. How was it? Was it good? I know, right?
Good.
So
good. Oh my God.
We love our own food when we eat it. It's like heaven on earth. Okay, so this is done. It's been cooking for a total of 20 minutes. And we switch it off now and we wait 5 minutes extra until the pasta is ready.
Now, another thing, guys. This is a cup. And what we want to do with this, we want to save a bit of water from the pasta in case we need to add inside the special cream.
Make sure that your fettuccine is salty enough. The fettuccine is like a thicker pasta, so it absorbs a lot more salts than normal pasta. I don't know if that's true, I just made that up. And make sure they're salty just as you like it. We're almost there, guys, we're almost there. We're ready to rinse the pasta, let's go. Okay, put your pasta in. Okay, now we mix it. Look at this pasta, man. Oh my God. Now at this point, we add the Parmesan.
Look at this.
And we mix it in. This is why you need that extra water. Just in case it gets too dry, you add accordingly. Now we plate it. There you go. A little bit more. We don't want anyone to starve today. Let's be, you know, generous portions. Put the mushroom on top.
There you go.
A little sprinkle of parsley. And here you have it. Now when you do a...
Look at this. Look at
Look
this.
at this.
Look at this.
That's what I'm talking about. So now we're gonna be testing this recipe. Ok, vai, sei pronto? Pezzetto di fungo. It's amazing, guys. I mean, honestly, what? It took us 20 minutes to do it, you know? This is really like cooking to impress. Stay on this channel, stay with us. We're gonna teach you to cook to impress. Not just cook, Mannaggia la troia. This is not just cooking, this is cooking to impress. I mean, you got a bunch of people coming and you make this dish, they're gonna think like you're like basically a demigod.
Like
Stay
me,
with us,
basically.
subscribe to this channel, look down below, ingredients down below. Follow us on TikTok, link is down below as well. We love you guys. Stay tuned.
Ciao guys.
Till next time, bye.